here. Let's start in Utthita Balasana for a minute. Exhale, walk the hands full range to the right. Exhale to the left. Inhale, back to center. Okay. And come up to seated. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, Anjali Mudra in front of the chest. Exhale, side bend right. Inhale through center and exhale left. Inhale, back to center. Interlock the fingers behind, open the chest, and exhale, release the tabletop. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Last two. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale to cat, or to cow, sorry, arch the spine. And then as we exhale, we're going to circle the rib cage. So we'll start on the right side, so move that rib cage to the right, circling up to our cat pose. And then from there, moving to the left, and inhale, back to where we started in cow pose. So one more time. Okay, right to left. Take as much time as you need. Alright, we'll meet in cow. Once we're here, we're going to reverse the same thing 2 times. Okay, moving to the left. Up to cat. To the right. And back to cow. Just allow the body to follow. Okay, the movement, the rhythm. Alright, and once we're back in our cow pose, let's find a neutral spine. Top of tailbone. Walk the hands forward, handprint. Exhale, down dog. Heels towards the floor. Okay. Feet hip width apart, straight arms, drishti towards the navel. Energizing the body, developing speed and lightness in the legs. Relieving pain and stiffness in the heels, strengthening the ankles, shaping the legs. Inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. Last one, inhale, plank. Exhale, down dog. Alright, inhale, plank. And from here, we're going to exhale, chaturanga, all the way down. Okay, bring the fingertips outside the mat, in line with the face. And then from here, we're going to inhale, press up, Bhujangasana. So the elbows can stay soft if you can. Okay, if the back is okay, we can straighten and exhale. Slower movement coming down. Again, inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up, stay. Exhale, down. Hands under the shoulders, toes in. Inhale, roll up to up dog. Exhale, down dog. At the end of our exhalation, from here we'll step forward in between the hands. Inhale, open the chest, and exhale, fold. Last two, inhale, open the chest, exhale, fold. Last one, inhale, exhale, fold. Come up. Inhale, arms up, exhale, relax. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana, half sun salutation. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, face to shin and come up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale and relax. All right, this time inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, open the chest. Okay, if your hands are not on the floor now, we're going to exhale. Hands down, bend the knees if you need. Step the right foot back. Inhale. Okay, we'll just come up. And exhale, hands to floor. Okay, inhale, plank. Then we step the right foot forward. All right, come back up. It's the same way. Exhale, hands to floor. Left foot beside the right, feet hip width apart. Hold the elbows and sway side to side in ragdoll. Okay, and then anytime you want to stay still in your ragdoll, that's perfectly fine. Okay, make sure that we have more weight towards the toes. Inhale, back to center, hands to floor, open the chest. Exhale, face to shin, and come up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, left foot back. Okay, and we inhale, come up the same way for the other side. Exhale, hands to floor. Inhale, plank. Left foot forward. All right. Inhale again, we come up. Exhale, hands to floor. Okay, then we step the left foot or the right foot beside the left. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, face to shin and come up. Inhale, arms up, hold. Exhale, fold. Inhale, plank, hold, knees down if needed, okay, but keep the core engaged. Exhale, chaturanga, all the way down. Inhale, baby cobra, and exhale, down dog. At the end of our exhalation, we'll step, okay, or jump forward. In between the hands. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, face to shin and come up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, Relax, Surya Namaskar A. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, open the chest. And exhale, Chaturanga. Knees down or not. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. At the end of our exhalation, we'll step here, jump forward, in between the hands. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, face to shin, and come up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, relax. Last round, inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, step or jump back, Chaturanga. Okay, moving through a vinyasa. Inhale, dog split right. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, up. Okay, again. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, up. And exhale, right foot forward. Left knee down. Okay. Inhale, come up, hands on the knee. Inhale, interlock the fingers behind, right thumb on top, open the chest. Exhale, hands to floor. Inhale, dog split right. Exhale, back to down dog. Inhale, dog split left. Exhale, knee to nose. Last one, inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale up. Exhale, left foot forward, right knee down. Okay, inhale, come up, hands on the knee. Inhale, interlock the fingers behind, left thumb on top, open the chest. Exhale, hands to floor. Inhale, dog split left. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, dog split right. Exhale, open the hips, bend the right knee. Inhale, straighten the right leg. Exhale, knee to nose. Okay, then turn the left foot flat, extend the right leg forward and down. Inhale, left arm up. Okay, fallen triangle. And from there, inhale, back to our plank. Okay, left knee down, right arm up. Inhale, right hand down. Exhale, right foot forward. Okay. Inhale, come up, high lunge. Exhale, forearms together, okay, in front of us. Then we inhale, cactus. And exhale, forearms together. Last two, inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, shift the weight forward. Then place the right foot anywhere above or below the left knee. When the balance is good, inhale, arms up, Vrksasana. Exhale, soften the right knee, step the left foot back, opening the hips to Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, right forearm to right thigh, left arm overhead, Parsvakonasana. Drishti towards the left hand. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, straighten the right leg. The right hand can stay on or outside the right leg. Inhale, look down to the floor. Exhale, left hand down, Vinyasa. Other side, inhale, dog split left. Exhale, open the hips, bend the left knee. Inhale, straighten the left leg. Exhale, bring the knee towards the chest. Turn the right foot flat. Extend the left leg forward and down. Inhale, right arm up, fallen triangle. Okay, and then from there, we'll bring the right hand down to plank. Okay, right knee down. Inhale, left arm up. Okay, and then from here, we're going to bring that left hand down. Exhale, left foot forward. Okay, inhale, high lunge. Exhale, forearms together in front of us. Inhale, cactus. Exhale, forearms together. Last two, inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Inhale, arms up, high lunge. Exhale, shift the weight forward and place the right foot anywhere above or below the left knee. When we're ready, inhale, arms up, Vrksasana. And we exhale, soften the left knee, step the right foot back, opening the hips to Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, left forearm to left thigh, right arm overhead, Parsvakonasana, toning the thighs. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, straighten the left leg to Trikonasana. Left hand can stay on or outside the left leg. Inhale, look down to the floor. Exhale, the hands down, Vinyasa. Knees down to Vajrasana. Alright. Hands in Anjali Mudra in front of the chest. Om Shanti, Shanti Shanti, Namaste.